Do you know every time you're chewing gum, there is nothing you are eating. All you are doing is to flavor your saliva and swallow it. That's all you are doing. There's nothing you're eating completely. Just putting some flavor on your saliva and swallow it. So you already have your saliva. All you're looking for is just a flavor so you can swallow it. Now, from this, I realized something. That most of the things we need to transform our lives are already with us. All we need to do is just to recognize it and flavor it and realize uncommon change. Sometimes the reason as to why we can't see solution to many circumstances is because we look too far. If you look closer, you realize that the vision that will transform your life is that vision that probably you're looking down on. If you can flavor it, you discover that you don't need to look too far. You already have the solution within you. Many times, you'll realize how much you have if you can repair what you already have. But sometimes, we look at acquiring new when we have a lot that only needs a little flavoring, and we have it. Your partner could be the right one. All you need is just to flavor it, and all will be well. We have all it takes. The only thing we need is just to flavor it. Thank you.